Right, well, long time no see. Sorry about that. I do like to try and post as much as I can, but truth be told, I've been really busy, and also I haven't had anything that interesting to film, and I'm never going to film a film just for the sake of it. Although YouTube might like me to get more subscribers. Anyway, the fact that I'm here right now probably means that I have something interesting to film, or at least I think it's interesting. So today we are off to Filching Manor. Now Filching Manor is what it suggests. It is a manor house. I believe it was made in like 1400s, so it's really old. But it has the perk of having a go-kart track. Now I'm not going to be riding a go-kart around today. Basically I'm going to an event where if you've got a pre-war motorcycle, you can go and ride for the day. I haven't got a pre-war motorcycle. Well, I have, but it's in bits. But Rick has. So today I'm off with him, and he's going to let me have a little trundle around the track. Now it's been at least 2 years since I've really properly ridden a pre-war hand shift motorcycle. So hopefully we get on all right. Manor, and I'm precariously balancing two coffees. My dad is here. We're all going to be riding some vintage motorcycles today. It looks like there's a good selection. I've seen the go-kart track. It looks old and tight, but I don't think that'll be a problem. And I've also forgotten my SD card for my GoPro, so things today are going to be interesting. Nonetheless, I'm hopefully going to bring you a good video. So today is run by the Sunbeam Owners Club, and so there are a few Sunbeams about, but there's also a couple of other nice bikes. Now Rick has bought his 27 Rex Acme, which if you want to see a video about that, I have filmed a separate one. I'll post that up on the video now. And also the Martin side, which I have ridden before. That is a leery creature, but I'm not sure that I actually put that on YouTube. So we're going to do some riding on that. Judy has also brought her Scott. It should be a good time. There's sort of two classes, a wobblers class and a riders class, and I'm not sure whether I'm a wobbler or a rider, but we'll just have to see. So, as you can now see, this is the Filching Manor go-kart track. Now it is quite tight, quite twisty, but what they've done is basically opened up the outer loop, so we've actually got a nice, quite easy route with a couple of straights and a few bends. Up first we've got the 1927 Rex Acme, so it's a 350 single, very racy machine this, so no kickstart, we've got a bump start.
When you're ready.
Yeah, cool. Cheers, mate.
So this is genuinely the first time I have ever ridden this bike, and I was amazed at how quickly I bonded with it. It is very agile, it really sticks to the pavement, and it is quite confidence inspiring. So you can see by my lean angle the kind of confidence that is inspired by this machine. It really handles floor. It is so light, and in fact I was actually scraping my feet across the floor in some cases around the corners. So it is worth pointing out that none of this is racing. We were told categorically in the morning this is not a race day, although some of this footage could definitely fool me into thinking there was a bit of racing going on.
Feel like 10 minutes.
So I've just been out, well, quite some time to be honest. I got carried away. First on the Rex Acme, which is alarmingly light. Honestly, that thing is incredible. So the other day I actually went to go move it, and you know when you just pick up the back of the bike and you swing it round? Well, I was holding the handlebars as well, and I swung it round and realised the front wheel was off the floor as well. That is how light it is, and you can tell from its handling it is so agile, and for an early single cylinder motor it is so revvy. It is keen to get up there high in the revs and really pull its weight. So here we have the Chris Tate Martin side. Obviously it's a V-twin, twin carb, 768 cc's of absolute madness. Lever throttle, hand shift. This one has got a kickstart where you have to move the foot peg up, fold that out of the way to kickstart it. And this is a really gutsy machine. See now my dad is on the 1927 Rex Acme. This is his very first time on a pre-war bike at all. So the Martin side is also a very light machine, but whilst it was pretty agile, it didn't have the same feel that that Rex Acme did. The Rex Acme, I mean, it felt like you could just do anything and it was glued. This felt a little bit more wallowy, but still a very impressive motorcycle. Much more powerful and much better power from low down. But you expect that with a huge CC increase in comparison to the little 350. The Martin side, being that it's multi-cylinder, it's a little bit smoother in delivery. That is happy going around this track. As I say, it's tight, but there are areas where you can open it up. It's happy going around in first gear all the way around, whereas the Rex, you need to do that shift up to second gear. But both incredible machines. I've really enjoyed myself today. I think next up there's going to be a little bit more riding, then we're going to have a little lunch break, and then we're going to go for a little tour around the museum, which is the Museum of Speed, so that should be really cool. I'm looking forward to that. So this here is the Manor House, as you can see, quite an impressive thing. And then we've got the Motor Museum that they very kindly showed us around. Now I'm not going to say too much because I think you should go visit it, but there's some great stuff there, including this Harley Davidson pea shooter, which has been used for grass track. Now, the last bike in this row with the exceedingly shiny tank is very interesting indeed, because that is an XL, which is another company that used Blackburn motors, but it's actually local. It was around the Brighton Worthing area, so very, very cool, very rare thing. So I had an absolutely brilliant day. I was so pleased to get back on some pre-war stuff, and it's kind of booted me towards maybe starting up the pre-war project again. But first, I have got to finish this. Obviously, I'm very fortunate that Rick would lend me those bikes for the day. What a great time it was. So great to be out there with good riders and great bikes. Now, the museum will be opening again soon. It's not open at the moment, but it will be. And I think you should go down there and have a look, because they have got some incredible stuff. Not just motorcycle or car related, but speed related. If you're interested in tuning, engineering, I advise you go. Now, that is going to be it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed me finally releasing a video, and hopefully next week I'll have another video about an event I'll be going to, and we can slowly kind of get on board with doing these things. Massive thank you to you guys, especially for hanging around whilst I've had this quiet spot of not being able to film stuff. I really hope you've enjoyed it and it's been worth the wait. I promise there's more good stuff coming up. I haven't given up. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please do feel free to give us a like, give us a comment. I do read all of the comments and try to get back to them. But thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time.